Hi everyone, welcome to New School Yoga. This is a quick and very simple meditation you can do anytime you're feeling stressed or overwhelmed, anxious, and you want to shift out of those feelings and bring in some positive, peaceful, calm, and loving energy. All you need to do is find a comfy seat and we'll get started. Start by finding a comfortable seat, or you can even do this meditation lying down. Once you are seated or lying down comfortably, close your eyes if you feel comfortable, and we'll start to take some deep breaths. Inhale and exhale. And just notice how you feel without judgment. Continue to breathe deeply. Take a few more breaths here, just settling in. Okay, now as you continue to breathe, we're going to add a visualization. So I want you to imagine the feelings of stress and overwhelm in your body and give them a color, maybe black, gray, dark brown. And as you exhale, I want you to imagine that color and those feelings leaving your body. So inhale, and as you exhale, imagine releasing those feelings. Imagine that color leaving your body. Continue to do that on your own. Great big deep inhales. And as you exhale, imagine the color leaving your body. Continue to breathe. With each exhale, letting go of those feelings of stress, overwhelm, anxiety, whatever it is you need to let go of. Imagine those feelings leaving your body as you exhale. Continue with this visualization for a few more breaths. Don't be afraid on your exhale to really sigh it out or forcefully exhale, really letting go, pushing those feelings out, sending them away from you. Okay, one more deep breath. One more great big exhale, releasing feelings of stress and overwhelm. Now continue to breathe deeply, but let go of the image. And instead, imagine being surrounded by a bright, brilliant white light all around you, shining and beautiful. And now as you inhale, imagine breathing that white light into your body. Imagine that light represents joy, calm, peace, whatever it is that you want to bring in to replace those feelings of stress. So as you continue to breathe, as you inhale, you're bringing in that white light and all those positive feelings, joy, love, peace. And then exhale naturally. Inhale, bring that white light into your body. Bring in those feelings of peace, calm, love, joy. Let them replace any darkness that's still lingering. Exhale naturally. And as you exhale, you can imagine that light kind of settling into your body and replacing any darkness that was there before. Continue this visualization, bringing in that bright, peaceful energy. And as you exhale, letting it settle into your body and spread all the way to the tips of your fingers, all the way down to your toes. Inhale, bring in more of that light. Exhale, let it spread throughout your body and settle in. Continue that on your own for a few more breaths. Okay, after your next exhale, go ahead and let go of that image as well, but continue to breathe deeply. And just like we did at the beginning, notice how you feel now. Check in with your body. Notice any sensation without judgment. Just observe. Take a step back. How do you feel? And we'll end by taking 3 deep breaths together. Great big inhale and exhale. Again, inhale and exhale. One more, make it a good one. A great big inhale, filling up your lungs. And exhale all the way to your toes, letting go. And then go ahead and open your eyes. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.